I was so happy that I found a religion where I could speak directly with God, not have to just see somebody and and he's going to talk to me and give me some, oh yeah, 5 Hail Marys and $10 in the donation box. So I said, this is the religion for me, and I loved it so much, even though it was hard and I was sleeping, and I never missed a prayer ever since I started. And then after a while, Allah, alhamdulillah, made it so easy for me that I looked for more prayer I could do, and I found out about tahajjud, I found out about the sunnah prayers, and so I started doing them as well, because when I read about Allah says to His ummah, who wants their prayers answered, who has anything to ask for me, and I thought, this is the God that I love so much. So I said, Islam's for me. I've never missed a prayer. And since then, it's been about a year and a half. I reverted in April of 2016, and then I had to teach my children as well.